Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at something from Cozy Crochet Critters. This is a family friend, and what they're doing is they're making these adorable looking cozy critters. And I'm going to put a link in the bottom in the description to the Etsy page for them. Check them out. It all goes towards a great cause. This is the dragon, I believe. This is my favorite one right here. I think he's awesome. It goes towards a great cause. If you kind of read about it, I don't want to kind of misquote the cause or anything, so I'm just going to point you to the link there. But basically, they're trying to adopt, and they needed some funds, so they started creating these on Etsy and selling them, and they actually sold a lot of them so far. But, of course, we bought some more, and they're very neat. This is the elephant, of course, sorry. This is Kitty Lovey, right? There we go, Kitty Lovey. So, cool little things. So these were just some baby gifts that we got for people. Of course, you know, be honest, I keep the dragon. The dragon's cool, but of course I gotta get rid of it. I gotta give it to the baby it's meant for. But the dragon is kind of cute. It's kind of grown on me a little bit. And then we have the giraffe here. They're all very cool. So I encourage you guys to go over to the link in the description below and check out her Etsy page. She makes a lot more than just what I have here. This one's also cool with the... I think this is supposed to be, what do we got? It's supposed to be an octopus, yeah. There you go. So, again, lots of different cool stuff. I almost called this one a jellyfish, but it's an octopus. Very cool items. And to be honest, they go towards a great cause. So please check them out. This is Cozy Crochet Critters. I'll put a link below. It goes towards a great cause. I know it's a little bit different than when we usually go over on this channel, but I mean, come on, look at this dragon. It's amazing. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.
But wait, there's more!
And just one more thing. You know, just if you're wondering about the cost real quick, you know, the cost is about $20 to $25 on most of the items. Again, not too bad. So again, check out that link. Sorry I forgot to put it in. But of course, make sure to like and subscribe, but you don't have to. This is really just to promote these awesome cozy critters here. I think they're amazing.